Now finally we are here at ARD Bhavan. Today we are submitting data entry, but too many people are here. The post is reserved by only one veterinary Prani Sampad because it's the language of Bengali. After finishing, I was thinking that I was going to at home otherwise. So finally, I am so tired. This is the Paniajal and Shasta Vivan Bhavan. Now I am waiting. Our Bhatija he was coming. So this place are very good. Look at the view. Why there are so many? Why there are so good? Now let's go. And we can go to rooming time. After finishing, I was going to add rooming time. So I was thinking now, where am I do? Let me. Bye bye. Take care. But it's coming.